Hello dear 7th graders. In this video we are going to explain the questions of your exam. There are 25 questions and the questions cover Unit 4 and 5 of the coursebook English Plus 2. Question 1. You had to choose correct sentences here. In first sentence, to is used after the modal verb could. So, as you know, we should use the verb without to after modals. So, this sentence is wrong. Second sentence is correct. But in third sentence, we see the wrong use of a superlative degree. The suffix of superlative degree for one-syllable adjectives is est. The sentence should be like, Ferrari is the fastest car in the world. Another correct sentence is number 4. Question 2. Domesticated animals can live with people because they are not wild. Stupid means not clever, and vice versa, intelligent means clever. Question 3. Through has the meaning of moving from one end of the forest to another. Other options can't be used in this context. Question 4. My friends were writing emails at 9 p.m. We see an exact time here, so it shows us that we should write the action in the progress in the past. And the subject of this sentence, my friends, is plural. That's why we can't choose was with the word my friends. So we choose variant B. Question 5. The cafe at the aquarium is worse than the cafe at the zoo. So we see two things to compare in this sentence, the cafe at the aquarium and another one, which is next to the zoo. So here we should use a comparative degree of the adjectives. And the only comparative form of adjectives is worse in this question. Question 6. Choose the correct question to the given answer. The answer is over 10 kilometers an hour. So, when we say 10 kilometers an hour, it means we are talking about the speed of something. So, the question can be asked like, how fast can he run? How long has the meaning of a time period or the length of a thing? How tall is about the height of the people, and how often is usually asked for the words that are used in present simple, like usually, often, sometimes. They are called adverbs of frequency. Question 7. Choose the antonym of the adjective common. The antonym of the adjective common is rare. Rare means you can't come across these animals or things everywhere. Question 8. Choose the correct variant with opposite adjectives. The only opposite adjective pair here is wild domesticated, because intelligent has the opposite like stupid, stupid, intelligent, and heavy has the opposite light. So the only correct pair is variant I. A. Wild domesticated. Question 9. Which word doesn't mean profession? So, writer, singer, and inventor are professions, but cooker is a thing, to cook meals in it. Question 10. I cycled over the bridge from one side to the other. So, bridge is a high place and we can cycle or run across over it. Choose the correct word. He was the winner of the cycling race. As you see, actor, dancer, and composer are the professions, but winner is not the profession. Choose the correct variant. My dad can't run very fast now. He is really slow. As you see, the second sentence, he is really slow, shows us that we have to write the sentence in present form because we are talking about now. And if he is slow now, it means he can't run very fast. Question 13. Parrots are the noisiest birds in the zoo. They are very loud. So, the word noisy, the adjective noisy is one syllable adjective and it ends in Y. And we said after the consonant, we change Y into I and write like noisiest. Question 14. I could run very fast when I was a child. I won lots of races. As you see, there is a word used in the past in these sentences. I was a child and I won are the past forms. That's why we should write the past form of the verb can here. So, and second part of the sentence, I won lots of races, means he was very good at it. That's why we say he could run. Question 15. Choose the correct word. I can't carry this bag. It's very heavy. If you can't carry it, it means it is not light. So, the opposite of the word light is heavy. We choose heavy here. Question 16. Choose the verbs with suffix OR of a noun. So, there were some exclusions of the professions that we learned. Actor and inventor are made with OR. Question 17. I was sleeping when you phoned is the correct sentence here. Because we said after when part of the sentence we have to use past simple form of the verbs. That's why if we write past simple in the second part of the sentence, then first part should be in past continuous. And my sleeping was interrupted by your phone. Question 18. There is a lot of water in the Pacific Ocean. So, Pacific is the name of an ocean, not mountain, desert, or river. Question 19. This is the present in the gift shop. So everything else is cheaper. If everything else is cheaper, so it means this is the most expensive. She fell off her horse and hurt an arm. So if she hurt her arm, it means she fell off the horse. We can't use a through with the word fell, and over and into can't be used because of the context here. Questions 21, 25 are about the text. It is a reading material, so you have to read these texts, then answer the questions. If you paid attention, this text is mainly about Michael Jackson, so the passage is about him. Question 22. Which statement is true according to the passage? So, while reading the passage, we saw that Michael Jackson didn't like to talk or to TV or magazine people. In spite of that, he was very famous. And 23 is a situation question. So you should have your own answers referring to the text, of course. When did the group have 4 number 1 records? If we go back to the text, we may see that in 1970, they had 4 number 1 records. What is the synonym of the underlined word in the passage? The synonym of the underlined word is popular, because famous and popular has the same meanings. So in question 25, we have to complete the sentence. Michael lived in California, and according to the passage, we may say that he lived in California with some of his strange pets, such as a chimpanzee, a cheetah, and a llama. That's all about these questions. Thanks for your attention. Goodbye.